Japanese school lunch, Japanese 給食 Japanese school lunch, Japanese 給食 給食 Japanese 給食 Japanese 給食 Alright. So I just made my silly entrance. So welcome back to another video of the Parl, where today we will be talking about kyushoku, Japanese school lunch. Here in Japan, or the Japanese elementary school, you don't get the same lunch every day. So every day there is a different lunch. So in this video, we will be talking about several different lunches I have had over the course of about a week. Yeah. Alright, so we will be discussing that today. So let me know which kyushoku you like at the end of the video, okay? So just leave a comment below on which school lunch you would like to either eat, try, or cook. I have never cooked any, but if you do, just let me know. So let's start. First up, we have daizu to jako no iri ni kuri no by niku ae is cucumber, and by niku ae is boshi juice, plum juice. Texture of that was crunchy flavor with like a little salty vinegar flavor. To jako is small beans, almost like soybeans, which they're very sweet, and some very small fish is mixed with sesame seed as well. Niku jaga on the side, and the niku jaga is made usually with onion, pork, carrots, the shirataki noodles, which for me it makes it very nice because it reminds me of my grandfather's soup when I am eating the noodles. So I like the shirataki noodles. And you usually use like a little bit of sugar and soy sauce, so the nikujaga has like a slightly sweet flavor. Next up we have shiromizu, sakana no chili, white fish and tofu with chili sauce mixed together, and it has a slightly sweet flavorful taste which blends nicely with the rice, since the rice is always fresh. The soup, which was actually served with the shiromizu sakana no chiri, it's called winter melon soup. Now let's talk about Picadinho, a Brazilian dish. This Brazilian dish was served as a school lunch, and I think it is quite similar to nikujaga, which was a part of the first school lunch, Picadinho. Lunch was actually served with orange flavored jelly and salad, which was also served with white rice and milk. Up next we have tori, gobo, gohan, edamame, sumashi, soumen, and gyunyu. Tori, gobo, gohan is chicken, burdock root, and rice. Edamame, which translates to branch beans, is actually called young soybean pods. Edamame is usually boiled in salt water, which gives it a slightly salty flavor, so they are very delicious and healthy. And milk, which are usually served with Japanese school lunches. Next up we have yudetomorokoshi, kibinagofurai, cream soup, and budou pan. Yudetomorokoshi means boiled corn in Japanese, and this corn was very sweet. Kibinagofurai translates to fried, silver-striped, round herrings. Cream soup is made from potatoes, carrots, onions, chicken or pork, and spinach. Sometimes you can add a little broccoli. Budou pan is a bread with raisins inside, and sometimes they will serve the budou pan with a small piece of cheese. Now down to our last two Japanese school lunches. Now we have haiga gohan, natsu yasai kore, go ma ae, and prune hako new. Haiga gohan is just rice with germs attached to it. Yasai kore is curry with summer vegetables, because natsu means summer and yasai means vegetables, so summer vegetables. So summer vegetables include eggplant, tomato, Irish potato, and pumpkin inside this curry. Go ma ae includes pickled cucumbers and daikon strips. Prune hakonu is actually called prune fermented milk, and this is actually my favorite milk. Now for the final Japanese school lunch of this video. School lunch, it involves suika, haiga pan, cabbage salad, chiri kunkan, and gyunyu milk. The suika means watermelon in English, and yes, it's summer, so the watermelons are in season, and this one was extremely sweet. Pan, this is just bread because pan means bread, and this is just the bread with the germ. I don't really like this bread though. Salada is just cabbage salad, and this cabbage salad was very crunchy and nice. Chili kunkan, this involves minced beef, pasta, beans, carrots, tomatoes, and the chili sauce. Is the end of Japanese kyushoku school lunch. Please leave a comment below to tell me about which school lunch you would like to try. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content to come.